Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Nearly a year back, I was working on digital twin. I was configuring digital twin for a client of mine, and when I was configuring that for them, we started getting this error message that is a subdomain not found. This is the steps on how you get this error messages. Uh, you have to you have to just click on. You have to first open the Digital Twin Explorer if you want to understand what is digital twin, or if you want some more topics on digital twin. Let me know, I can explain. But to be a quick preview, digital twin is actually a replica of your existing environment in a digital form. For example, if you have a bottle and you want to know how that bottle will behave in different circumstances. That bottle can have a number of sensors which the digital twin can try to replicate, and will be able to give you much more information in certain circumstances, with a certain stress of pressure, with a certain amount of water, how things will happen in that bottle. Okay, so it's digital of the physical digital version of the say of a physical component in the world. So when you open this digital twin URL, you get a digital twin URL that you need to use, the host name that you get from the digital twin uh, so, uh, application that you have created. And when you put that in the digital twin studio, you get this error message. This is a very known and a very common error message, but not a very concrete or a straightforward solution is given. The error says double check URL and directory, or you do not have permission on the digital twin URL. I keep getting this error message, and I tried most of the things possible. I tried to follow a lot of steps. There were all the permissions that were needed. I was the admin of that particular service application, or the application which I created. I was a tenant admin, so nothing from their side. But yeah, there was some specific permissions which I was missing. It took me some amount of time to understand and do it. But after some basic troubleshooting, I was able to come to that point. So I'm sharing the solution on how we can solve that particular issue. So for that, what you need to do is you need to go to the Azure portal and then navigate to the digital twin resource. Okay, so just click on that digital twin, whatever it is, and you click on it, and then you make sure that the URL given in the digital twin overview is in front of the host name as shown above. To make sure this starts with HTTPS. So this is the screen which I'm talking about. This is the screen that I'm talking about. You access this particular uh, uh, digital twin resource, and when you go to overview, you make sure that this URL is the one that you have configured, or that you're trying to access in the digital twin studio. Okay, so this is how the digital twin studio looks like. This is where the URL need to be pasted, and every tenant or every application that you create gets a different digital twin URL. Okay, so once you are on this screen, what you need to do is you need to go to permissions. You need to give yourself your permission. Okay, appropriate permission by clicking access control menu. So this is where you see the access control menu. If you see, there's an access control IAM. This is where you need to click. Okay, so once you click on that particular option, you will be able to see add, and then you see add role. This is where you see add, and then you see add role. And once you click on add role, the next thing that you do is you search for Azure Digital Twin Data Owner. Okay, this is the permission that you need. The data owner permission that you need. Even if you have data reader permissions, you fail to do it. You are not able to make modification. You're not able to use the way it is needed to be used. You need to use Azure Digital Data Reader permission. So this is the permission, Azure Data Twin Data Digital Twin Data Owner. This is a permission that you need to access this particular URL. Okay, so once you click this, you go to next. You have the next button at the in the next screen. And then what you do is you put in your name out here. Okay, you make sure that you select your name. For that you can select members, and then you select your name. Okay, so you select members, you select user group, and then you select members, and then you type in your name and select the name whatever your is. Mine is Indrajit Singh Jaggi, and then you select that at the bottom, and then you select preview and assign. That's it. Once you do this, you have to wait for 2-3 minutes, but after you run the 2-3 minutes, you would be able to open this digital twin URL without any issues. If you still get any error, if you're still in any troubleshooting steps that you're stuck with, send me an email, try to reach out to me. I will see what I can do to help you with this particular issue. Okay? Thanks. Hope this will be helpful for you. Have a great day ahead. Bye. Take care.